Freezer Repair San Diego. Welcome to Freezer Repair San Diego. One of your largest household appliance investments is your refrigerator/freezer. It is important to keep it well maintained and working at its top performance level. We take for granted that our food will be chilled properly or frozen in the freezer, safely stored to ensure our healthy consumption. When there is a problem with your refrigerator or freezer, prompt, professional repair service is a must. At Freezer Repair San Diego, our technicians will work to make sure that your refrigerator/freezer is repaired as quickly as possible so that you do not risk losing food or any food contamination. We will repair your refrigerator or freezer so that it is running efficiently. Our company has been working in San Diego County for many years. Call Freezer Repair San Diego today to discuss your appliance repair needs. For more information, please visit our website, www.axisrepair.com. Or contact us through phone, 760-849-5065. You can visit our office, 940 Broadway, San Diego, California 92101, United States. Freezer Repair San Diego.